Today we're making coconut lime icebox cake. This recipe serves 12. The prep time will be 15 minutes and your total time will be about 3 hours with cooling in the fridge. You're going to need 1/2 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, 2 limes, 2 packages of cream cheese softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 16 graham crackers. The first thing you'll do is evenly spread the coconut onto a large microwave-safe plate. Microwave until golden brown, about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds. Cool completely. Then use the citrus juicer and zester to juice and zest the limes in a medium mixing bowl. Add the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla. Beat with a hand mixer until smooth. In a large mixing bowl, whip the cream on medium or high speed until stiff peaks form. Fold in the cream cheese mixture. Break half the graham crackers into pieces and lay them on the bottom of the rectangular cool and serve. Spread half of the cream cheese mixture over the crackers. Repeat with the remaining crackers and cream cheese mixture. Top with coconut and, if you like, lime zest, lime wedges, or mint. Chill covered for at least 3 hours or overnight. Enjoy!